Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how I use my DevLog pop-up system to give options and different actions to objects on the map. I also have seen some requests in the previous episodes and I'm working on them, and I think I probably will upload those by the end of the week. So some tutorials like how to place the blocks on the map and how to do transparency, shaders and textures and things like that, I'm going to be uploading those by the end of the week. So for now, let's watch today's development vlog and I hope you will enjoy it. Let's begin. Hey guys, another update. I just want to see if I can do it in front of you guys. But I want to do something. Right now, if you place this house, you cannot turn it around. And this is a game for like designing a farm, you know, making it look nice. So some people might like to change the orientation of the house. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So let me go to the house there. All right, and I already have some similar things, similar functions in other scripts. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. Again, this is not a tutorial, so I'm not gonna be explaining every single thing. But if you have any question at any point, feel free to ask me later in the comments. So here on tab, I need to create an array. All right, this one is going to have 3 buttons. The first one is going to be rotate clockwise. And here I want to change the action to transform.rotate. And Euler angle, so it should be a rotation on the y-axis, so it's 90, and 0, and it's relative to self, space.self. All right, and the second button is going to be cancel, the middle one, and here the message of the dialog box is going to be rotate house. We can give it one more button, which is basically the third option, rotate counterclockwise. So I'm gonna copy this message and I'm gonna copy the action. And for cancel, the action is just empty because it's not going to do anything, and any button will close the dialog box. So this one is rotate minus 90 degrees on the self space. Okay, let's try it. Now I should be able to try this. And wait, before that, I need to have a box collider on my house before I can actually tap on it. So house, where's the house? Here's the house. So yeah, I need to have a collider. Add component, box collider. It doesn't have to be precise because we're not doing like collision detection or something like that. I just need to be able to tap on it. So that's probably going to work. And let's try it. So now I have this house, and if I click on it, yep, we have this message. And now, like what we had before was we use it from the flower. So I just reused the script from the flower, and we had this. Do you want to pick this flower? We had the option pick and cancel, right? And if I pick, it's going to pick it up. Now I changed, as you see here, I just changed the messages and I changed the functions. Let's see if the function work. Rotate house, rotate clockwise. And well, they say both rotate clockwise, but I should be able to rotate it on different directions. And it's actually working. That's pretty cool. And I need to change that message because it should be here counterclockwise. And or we could just say rotate right. No, let's do rotate left and rotate right. And I want to be a little bit more formal. Do you want to rotate this house? All right, let's see if it works. I mean, if it works correctly, because probably when we say rotate left, it might rotate right. I think yeah, we got it wrong. Left, it should be left like this. All right, so here should be 90, here should be negative 90. There we go. And now we actually have the function to rotate the house whatever we want. So of course, we could have that not on tab, but on long press, for example. There we go. Rotate left and rotate right. Awesome. So yeah, we could have options by press holding. Holding the touch here on the house, and only then get different options. We could have a whole menu like rotate, delete, whatever things you would like to see. I think we could do that. So yeah, it was just a quick update on how I made the functions for different items. So for example, for the flower, I can pick it up. For the pumpkin, we could have something different. Like, let me grab a pumpkin. For the pumpkin, instead of just pick or cancel, we can also have a function called break, and then we would see like pieces of pumpkin on the ground. I think that would be a nice touch to have. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm just gonna keep giving you guys quick updates, but if anything of what I show you you're interested in learning, let me know. I will make a tutorial about that feature in like a separate project, guide you through it like more in detail. But for now, I just want to keep showing you guys what I've been working on. And of course, if you have any suggestions, I would love to try to implement them. So take care, guys, stay safe, and I will see you all on the next video. Goodbye.